Super glue can stick to your skin in seconds, and once it does, it can feel almost impossible to remove. Trying to pull it off can irritate your skin or even cause small injuries. Fortunately, there is a simple and safe way to remove it using a few common items. Start by washing the affected area with warm water and dish soap. Gently rub the skin for about a minute. This helps soften the glue and may loosen some of it right away. If the glue is still stuck, apply a small amount of nail polish remover that contains acetone. Gently dab it directly onto the glue. Avoid rubbing too hard, and be careful not to use acetone near sensitive areas like the eyes or lips. As the acetone works, the glue will begin to break down and loosen from the skin. You can gently roll or peel it away as it softens. Once the glue is removed, wash the area again with soap and water to remove any remaining residue. Finally, apply a small amount of lotion to help soothe and moisturize the skin, since acetone can be a bit drying. Using this method helps remove super glue effectively without damaging your skin.